Hey, what's up everybody? Sean here with Empire Auto Spa, and behind me is one of Central Florida's first Lucid Airs. Now, this automobile is unbelievable. We're gonna do a little bit of customization to it, so this video is gonna be kind of a cool combination of customization and a review. So a quick rundown of what you can expect, and then the review will begin. We are going to paint the calipers, do a custom painted caliper. Now, we're gonna do a few different things to it to really tie in the totality of all of the custom wishes that the owner had. We're also gonna tint it, which on this automobile is quite an impressive feat. And then I'm gonna jump inside and we're gonna review the exterior of the Lucid Air. So stick around, a lot more coming from Empire Auto Spa. All right, so we're back and she's done. And there are a few things I want to share with you at home about this car. Number one, if you bought a brand new Lucid Air, I want to introduce you to the most expensive car you will ever tint in your life. This thing behind me not only takes custom cuts of tint, but man, it is a difficult car to tint. So keep that in mind as you go to the old tint shop and ask them how much to tint your Lucid Air. Now walk around with me and let's take a look at a few of the things that we did to this brand new Lucid Air. So one of the first things that we did was we put paint protection film on the entirety of the car. Now everything that you see in this video is paint protection film, and I'm gonna go over a few of those here in a moment. But before I do, I want you to get a chance to take a look at the custom painted calipers. We actually did this one in body color and then matched it to all of the silver accents. So another thing that we noticed when we looked at this car, and it may take you a second, but once you see it, you can't unsee it, is that this car is made of not only painted surfaces, but plastic surfaces, and then brushed metal surfaces and some chrome surfaces. It just didn't make any sense. So what we did is go over the entirety of the vehicle and remove the chrome pieces. And I think what it did was actually add some cool, subtle touches. The most obvious one is here in the front end of the vehicle. So here at Empire Auto Spa, we're all about making subtle little changes that make a huge difference in the overall appearance of your vehicle. And this is one of them. One of the things that we did was we actually blacked out the stripe or the area here on the roof. And what it does is it creates this uniformed look in the roof of the car. It's really subtle, but it actually creates a really nice continuity through the entirety of the roof line. Huge advantage. Now, as you walk around this car, you're gonna see all kinds of subtle little changes. The most important thing is that this is how you do it, where you keep your classy car classy. And that's what Empire Auto Spa is all about. Enjoy the last little bit of this video, and if you can spot the additional changes, comment below. If you're here in Central Florida and you want someone that knows your Lucid Air working on it, Empire Auto Spa is your only choice.